In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Bank of America to Gcash, effectively allowing you to send money from the USA with Gcash. This convenient and easy to follow process involves a few simple steps using the Remitly app. So, let's dive right in and get started on ensuring your funds reach your loved ones quickly and securely. First, you'll need to download or open the Remitly app on your smartphone. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up. But if you are already a user, just log in. Once you're in, set your destination country to the Philippines. This will ensure that the money reaches your recipient's Gcash account specifically set up for the Philippines. Next, you'll need to choose your delivery method. Here, you'll select mobile wallet and designate Gcash as your delivery option. At this stage, you will also be shown the real-time conversion rate and any associated fees. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on these rates and fees because they can change and affect how much your recipient actually receives in their Gcash wallet. With your delivery method selected, enter the recipient's details. You must input the recipient's name exactly as it appears on their Gcash account to avoid any hiccups. Also, be sure to enter the mobile number registered to their Gcash account, formatted as usual, starting with the country code followed by their number. Then, you'll need to choose your payment method. You can select your Bank of America account or a BOA debit card to send the funds through. During this step, Remitly partners with a secure platform called Plaid to verify your account details with Bank of America. This is done to ensure a high level of security and protect your information. Once your payment method is confirmed, it's time to enter the amount you want to send. After typing in the USD amount, take a moment to review the fees again and decide on the delivery speed. You have the option between Express, which will deliver the money within minutes, and Economy, which takes about 3 to 5 business days. After this review, you can proceed to tap the Send Money button. Finally, your recipient will receive the funds you've sent. If you've selected the Express option, it should only take a few minutes for the money to appear in their Gcash wallet. With Economy, they'll have to wait a tad longer, but either way, both of you will receive confirmations via SMS or email once the transaction is completed. This confirmation ensures peace of mind that your funds have been transferred successfully. So there you have it, transferring money from Bank of America to Gcash using the Remitly app is simple and secure, giving you and your recipient confidence and convenience in handling transactions across borders. Thanks for tuning in and happy transferring.